Sanibonani bafowethu, sengiphinde ngabuya namhlanje i-8 ngize nenye update about iMadlanga Commission. Yabona angifuni ukuqamba amanga, indlela iMadlanga Commission ehamba ngiyasaba. Ngisabela thina as ama-citizens, ngisabela thina as abantu nje base South Africa, because uyabona uma kuthiwa lento ade ikhulunywa namhlanje iyiqiniso, hayi kuzoshuba kakhulu. So namhlanje into eyenzakile is that kukhona umuntu obizwe iMadlanga Commission, because iMadlanga ibona ngathi ubufakazi bakhe bubaluleke kakhulu. So ngenxa yobucayi bobufakazi bakhe akabizwa ngegama, so unikwe igama lokuzakhela kwathiwa uWitness M. So uWitness M uzokhuluma ngobufakazi anabo ngama-drugs alahleka. Now kunzima ukuthi sisho ukuthi imaphi lama-drugs, because uzokhumbula ukuthi ama-drugs esikhuluma ngawo kwiMadlanga Commission mabili. Ama-drugs alahleka eDurban, esuka eDurban aya eSphingo, or asuke eSphingo, I think aye ePortshepstone, angisakhumbuli kahle. Kube khona ama-drugs asuka eThekwini aya e-Ayton eGoli. So akukaveli kwamanje ukuthi imaphi lama-drugs uWitness M azotestifya ngawo. So okwamanje i-argument ekade inkulu kakhulu ukuthi uWitness M ucela iMadlanga Commission ukuthi ucela ukufakaza amakhamera angekho, that means abezindaba bengekho, but uzofakaza kwikhamera, iMadlanga izombona kwikhamera ekhuluma, akazoveza ubuso bakhe because of ubucayi be-evidence ayiphethe. Into ethusa kakhulu kulento ayishoyo uma ebala izizathu zakhe, uthe sokuqala izizathu ukuthi ubufakazi bakhe bufaka ama-terrorist, labantu abahamba behlukumeza ama-country. 2, bufaka i-crime families, lama-families amakhulu emhlabeni aziwayo ukuthi aphila ngobugebengu and are-protected. Kunzima ukuthi ungabathatha ubase court because it's either amajaji ayanyamalala or kunyamalala ofakazi. 3, uthi ubufakazi bakhe buthinta ama-heads of state, that means buthinta o-president uqobo. Ijive ke manje ukuthi asazi ukuthi iyiphi le president ezothinteka, ngabe i-former president or i-current president, or mhlawumbe uMbeki, mhlawumbe uHalima Motlanthe or uZuma or uMandela, we don't know. Or kungenzeka ukuthi ukhuluma ngama-president amanye ama-country, not even i-South Africa. So uyabona ukuthi lento iya ekujuleni manje, kuzolimala abantu. So that's why uWitness M ecela ukuthi anikwe isikhathi sokukhuluma engabonwa, because if angatholakala ukuthi ungubani, uthi ngeke kuphele ngisho isikhathi esingakanani bazobe sebembulele. So iMadlanga Commission ayizange ibe na choice, bekumele ukuthi imnike lento ayifunayo because bayafuna nabo ukuthi bemuze ukuthi uthini. So bagcine bevumelene neMadlanga Commission ukuthi makakhulume ingaveza ku SABC or kwamanye ama-news media outlets, yonke le nto leyana. Omunye umuntu angazibuza ukuthi uMr M ngubani. Asazi kakhulu kwamanje because yonke into izama ukuthi iprotectwe ngaye, but we know ukuthi uyi-businessman. So akalona iphoyisa and futhi akalona i-politician, but uyi-businessman. Uzokhumbula ukuthi iMadlanga Commission ivele ibibheka labantu abawu-3, iphoyisa, ama-politician nama-businessman, ukuthi lama-relationships abo babenefithe njani kubo. So kweyonke lento lena kutholakala ukuthi uWitness M unobufakazi because wayekhona ngesikhathi kuthuthwa ama-drugs asuswa from point A ayiswa ku point B. So you can imagine umuntu wayekhona ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani. And 2, kutholakala ukuthi wayekhuluma, he had interaction with amaphoyisa, kwakukhulunywa nje ku-right yonke into. And again kuthiwa uyena wayemonitorisha yonke lento eyayenzeka. So zizokhala big time kwamanje. So I think ubufakazi bakhe, if iMadlanga Commission iyabamukela, zizokhalela amadoda amaningi. That's why izolo bengikhuluma ngendaba ukuthi kudingeka ukuthi vele i-extend imadlanga commission because umsebenzi usemningi kakhulu kabi. Okwamanje sisazigesela ukuthi ngabe ama-drugs bakhuluma ngamaphi, if bakhuluma ngala aseThekwini or bakhuluma ngala ama-drugs asuka eThekwini aye eGoli, asikazi okwamanje. But kuyathusa lento uWitness M eza nayo. But into ejive-ke ukuthi uWitness M asimazi umuntu onjani. Mhlawumbe umuntu onehaba, umuntu othanda ukwenza izinto zibe nkulu, tothi nje akukho na head of state involved, or umuntu owazi ukuthi what is at stake apha, because one of the reasons zakhe is that usaba nokungcolisa igama le-businesses zakhe if ekhuluma in public, kanti bazothi ngusibani bani one-business ethile. So that's why acela ukuthi makakhulume in private. And into engiwarisha kakhulu is that if there are terrorists involved, because uyabona if ngempela kunama-terrorists involved kule nto le, that means nathi as ama-citizens, if imadlanga commission iyayiprova le nto ukuthi iyiqiniso vele kunama-terrorists involved, kuzomele siyisukumele sonke, because ama-terrorist la kunama-terrorist khona ama-countries amaningi awasurvive. Ama-countries amaningi awabi ne-peace because of as ideas zama-terrorists. So we need ukuthi siyibuke ngamandla lento le, sibone kahle kahle kwenzakalani la, because kubuye ngathi baningi kakhulu abantu aba-involved manje. It's not just into yomuntu oyi-one. Another thing, uyabona imadlanga commission today ibe very short, ayilastanga even i-hour, because izinto eziningi bezikhulunywa behind closed doors, so asikwazanga ukuthola ukuthi kwenzakala ngenxa yobucayi bobufakazi uWitness M athi uza nabo. And what you need to know is that okwamanje le nto ekhulunywa uWitness M akukabi ubufakazi, kuseyinto athi uyasitshela nje i-guideline yokuthi uthi izinto zizohamba kanje. So we don't know whether ngempela unayo any proof yalento azobe ikhuluma, because it's not like uvolunteer ukuthi makeze kwimadlanga commission, but instead ubiziwe, uthunyelele incwadi kwathiwa iza ndoda. So that means investigators zemadlanga commission ziyamazi ubuso nobuso, imadlanga iyamazi. So yonke lento lena ikwenza uyibuza ukuthi ingabe labantu abamaziyo uWitness M ukuthi uzotestifya bazomyeka, and because umention abantu abaningi kakhulu ukuthi ba-involved kule nto le, bazomyeka ukuthi agcine testifyile, or bayazi ukuthi akanabufakazi uzodropa nje amagama abo iphelele lapho or kanjani. Le nto isibuyisela back to le nto engangisho ukuthi as much as we think okay mahlala bangama-big fish, but the truth is bayingane kule nto le, because there are families zabantu abamhlophe ezicontrola ama-drugs a-serious, ezicontrola i-crime enkuluthu ukuthi ihamba kwi-international level. They are not just concerned about South Africa kuphela, but banento ethi we want to control i-Africa, we want to control i-Asia in terms of ama-drugs, in terms of in. So i-war enjena akuyona ukuthi impi kamadlanga kuphela. Nathi as ama-citizens kuzomele sibe ngabantu aba-interested, sibe ngabantu abafuna ukuyilwa lento, singayiyeki indlule njengamanye ama-commissions, because if uyabheka ama-commissions amaningi a-release i-evidence ethusayo, but ngenxa ye-lack of interest from abantu, ngenxa ubhizi bezinto, uthola ukuthi because if you're la South Africa, most of the time izinto zakhona ziyatrenda zindlule. Nanoma ubona i-issue ukuthi isibaluleke kakhulu for ukuthi ingatrend indlule, but ufumana ukuthi isitrendile yandlula. So angazi besingenza njani as ama-citizens, especially if uyi-follower yami, sibe nale ntshisekelo yokuthi siyilandelele lento, sibuze questions kuma-politicians, sicela i-accountability, senze sure ukuthi imadlanga commission ayibhayiziswa, because uzothola ukuthi bazoyivumela, but ngenxa yobufakazi obulokhu buvela, wonke umuntu uzobona okay manje ngazuthi imadlanga commission izofika kimi, and uzothola labo bantu abazothi izofika kimi imadlanga commission, uthola ukuthi sesikhuluma ngabantu abakwi-power, sikhuluma ngabantu abasayina ama-check ukuthi siyayinika imadlanga commission le mali or asiyiniki. So kubalulekile ukuthi nathi as ama-citizens masibe involved kule nto le, masibe nale ntshisekelo yokuthi we watch every move eyenzakalayo, because you can imagine ukuba uJustice Madlanga right now uzwe kuthiwa kukhulunywa ama-former states apha, head of states, kukhulunywa ngama-drug cartels, kukhulunywa ngama-international crime syndicates, kukhulunywa nje ngabantu who have no problem ukuchitha igazi nakanjani. So you can imagine ukuthi leyo nto leyo ifila njani nakuye uJustice Madlanga. So kubalulekile ukuthi nathi as ama-citizens makayifile le nto ukuthi sikhona, we are interested, siya-appreciate into ayenzayo, and we want ukuthi iqhubeke le nto iye phambili kuze kutholakale le source yama-drugs. Because if we are bigger, even countries that are so powerful, they are so relaxed when it comes to ama-drugs. Yabona ngikwenze an example nge-America, if they wanted to get rid of ama-drugs, they would, but abafuni. Because kuyabonakala ukuthi lesandla sama-drugs si-involve abantu abaningi kakhulu, not just i-politicians, but everyone is involved. So, because angeke ungitshela ukuthi now that kuclear ukuthi amaphoyisa were involved in a way kuyo yonke lento, ngeke ungitshela ukuthi yiwo wodwa kule department yakwa-government are involved kuyo yonke lento le. There are people abayenzelana ama-favor kuyo yonke le system so that ama-drugs aphumelele, ama-drugs abe easily accessible to everyone. Elokishini, town, we know where to get ama-drugs. Amaphoyisa know ukuthi ubani uthengisa ama-drugs. But everyone is just quiet. So you can tell ukuthi le inyoka enamandla, inyoka efukamela iSouth Africa njengamaqanda ayo, and if siyayivumela le mpi isihlule, I am telling you, kuyophela ngeSouth Africa ukuthi nya. Because if there's a war between ama-drugs ne-youth, kuzophela i-youth, ngeke kuphela ama-drugs. So kubaluleke ngempela ukuthi siyilwe lento, sibe interested kuyo yonke lento yeMadlanga Commission. Ngiyacela futhi bafethu ukunikhumbuza ukuthi ningifollowishe na ku YouTube. I'm planning ukwenza ama-video amade kakhulu, na ku TikTok ngikhona, ku Facebook ngisese blogged okwamanje, angikwazi ukwenza ama-video amade, but bengibawela nakhona ukuthi nginishayele nje ama-video amade kakhulu so that ngikwazi uku-attach nama-screenshots, ngikwazi uku-attach i-evidence mangilokho ngikhuluma, ngifake lento engiyishoyo kanjalo. So okwamanje kuba nzima because ziningi into ekumele ngiyikhulume, but at the same time ngikalele u10 minutes kuphela. Kanti if simuvela kwamanye ama-channels uzokwazi ukuthi if kunento ongayizwanga kahle ngikwazi ukuyi-explainer ku YouTube kahle, sicathuzise, because one thing for sure, I enjoy uku-explain. I'm not doing this thing for imali, but I just enjoy uku-break it down. Izinto engizibona ukuthi zi-complex and abantu zingagcina zibabhora because of zinzima, ngizenze zingathi zinga-simple. Ngiyabonga.